Then I win.
Right, so let's look at the first picture here. What is this cute animal called, children?
Yes, Mama.
It's a
Duck.
quack.
A
Yes,
duck.
it's a duck. Right, correct. Right. So children, let's read the sentence together. I want all of you to repeat after me. Say, a duck can swim,
Duck can swim.
has webbed feet.
Have went.
Yes, right, children. So what is the missing pronouns here? Can you tell teacher? What pronouns do we use for animals? A duck can swim. Do we say she has webbed feet? He has webbed feet? They has webbed feet? Or it has webbed feet?
Wet feet.
What is the answer here that we got to write? Anyone would like to give me a
Eat.
very good. Now, why do we say eat?
Eat. That's why it's for animals.
Correct. For animals, we use the pronouns eat. Sorry, we use eat. Right? Very good. So please write down the word eat here, children. Take your pencil and write down here eat.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, let's look at question number 4. Okay, the next question. And let's read the sentence together. Okay, so after we read the sentence together, I'm going to call someone to give me the answer. Okay, children, let's listen carefully. Okay, I want you to listen carefully when teacher read for you. Okay, everybody say with me. A horse can neigh. Next, cannot bark. Okay, so you see, a horse can neigh. Yes, correct, right? That is the sound that the horse makes. Neigh, right? A horse can neigh. Cannot bark. So do we say
Eat.
Oh dear, right? Correct, Sharvin, but I wanted to call someone to give me the answer. It's all right. Okay, so Sharvin. Okay, but Sharvin done. Okay, so Sharvin done. So your turn. You have done, right? So the next one, let's have someone else to give us the answer. Okay, thank you, Sharvin. So the correct answer is eat, right? Sharvin, why do you say eat, Sharvin?
That's why it's an animal.
All right, because it's an animal, right? Correct. So let's write eat. Okay, it's the same just like what we have done here for the duck, because these are animals. Okay. Okay, the next one I'm going to ask. Okay, I'm going to ask Yi-Heng for the answer. Okay, next Yi-Heng's turn. Okay, so children, let's read the sentence together first. Okay, everybody say with teacher. Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Not there.
Followed her everywhere.
So what follow her away?
Okay, so you see, let me repeat again, children. The sentence is Mary had a little lamb. Then you have a space here to write your answer. Followed her everywhere. Okay, so let's ask Yi-Heng. Okay, so Yi-Heng, what is the pronouns that we need to write here? Do we say?
Maybe eat.
Oh, very good, Yi-Heng. Why do you say eat?
Because it's the animals.
Very good, because lamb, right? The little lamb here is an
Lamb
animal.
There is a tiny lamb.
Yes, a little lamb. Okay, a young lamb. So right. So children, let's
When you
write the
have
answer here.
but I don't hear the song.
Okay, thank you, Yi-Heng. Very good. So next, let's have all right, the next one I'm going to ask Yantang. Okay, let's ask Yantang. So children, let's read the sentence together. Everybody say, my school is very big. Has many rooms. Okay. So children, this sentence is about the school. Okay, my school is very big and you have a space here to write your answer. Has many rooms. So Yantang, can you tell teacher what is the pronouns that we need to write here? Do we need to say it has many rooms? She has many rooms? He has many rooms? Or they has many rooms?
They have many rooms.
Are you sure they?
School.
Look, this is a school.
This is a school. School is used.
Yeah. They we use for
Hi.
group of people.
Hi.
It has many rooms. Okay? Right, children, we say it has many rooms, right? Seems like the nouns. Remember, teacher said for nouns, we are going to use it, right? So please write down the answer here as it. My school is very big. It has many rooms. Okay, school is also a non-living thing. Okay, school is also a non-living thing. It's a place. Okay, the school cannot move, cannot breathe, just like us. So as I told you just now, same like for objects. Okay, we use the word it for them. Okay, because yeah. Right, thank you, Yantang. Thank you so much. Right, last one here on page 37. I'm going to ask you how. Right, you how? You're going to give this answer for teacher, okay? But the rest, let's read together. Everybody say, the children are in the playground.
In the playground.
Are
They.
Sharvin. Okay, right. We're supposed to get the answer from you how, okay? Right. You how? So see, are playing football. So what is the answer that we need to write here, you how? Do we say it are playing football? They. Why do you say they?
There's so many people.
Very good, because you can see more than one people.
6 people.
Yes, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are a group of people here. So for a group of people, we use they. Okay, very good. And thank you so much. Yes, correct. So children, let's write the word they here. They are playing football. Very good. Right, so this is the activity based on what teacher taught you last week, okay, about the pronouns. So you must always remember this because this is very important, okay? So now let's look at the next topic, right, on the next page, page 38. But before that, teacher is going to teach you about this, okay, right. Let's look at this first. I'm sorry. Right here, children. Okay, so today teacher is going to show you and teach you about these 4 important things. Okay, when you talk to people or when you write. Let's look at the first one here. You can see fingers pointing to the objects on all these 4 pictures here.
One only.
Now let's look at the first one here, okay? Look at the first hand here, which is pointing to the
lot of books there.
okay? How many books are here, children? Okay, how many books can you see over here?
THIS.
Can anyone see?
Yes.
Can anyone tell teacher how many books can you see over here? Right, we can only see 1 book, okay? 1 means singular, only 1, okay? So for singular, we use the word this.
School is more.
Is book, right? You see, they said book, they didn't say books. Books means more than 1, okay? Teacher have taught you about singular and plural, right? So you can see the book here is near. Okay, the book here is near to the finger, to the pointer here. So let's read the sentence here, children. Everybody say with teacher, this is book. Okay, so if it's a singular, okay, if there is only one and if the object is close to you, you read as this is book. Okay. Now let's see, how do we call the books or how do we say the sentence if we have more than one books? Okay, can you tell teacher the amount of books here? How many books are here, children? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Yes, you can see 3 books over here, but the books are still close to you. So we read as these are books. Okay, so now children, you look at this. Okay, look at the word are and also look at the s here. It shows that this is a plural noun. You see, because there are more book, okay, so they say books. They have add s here, and they also use the word are. We don't say these is books. It's wrong. We say these are books. If you see more than one, you use are. Okay, and look at the word, this word. Okay, let me circle for you here in blue. Okay, let me show you the difference here. Okay, we pronounce this word. Okay, let's look at this word that teacher have circled for you in blue. The first one is this.
And the one and the second one is this.
Correct.
Both of them are different words and the same sounds there.
Yeah,
have
same
the
sound.
same-
We say this, and the second one also we say this. But look at the spelling, it's different. The first one is THIS, this, and the next one here is THESE, this. Okay, so we have 2 different spellings, but same pronounce. Okay, we pronounce it as this. But we use this for singular, you see. If you see one book, okay, for a singular noun, we say this is book. But if you see a plural noun, you say these are books. So later you will learn more about this. Okay, you don't have to worry if you don't understand. We will look more on this. Okay, but now let's see, how do we call the objects when they are far from us? See, just now the books was too near to the finger. Yes or no? Can you see the book is quite near to the finger here?
Yes.
Yes, but now let's look at these 2 pointer and the object. Now the book is very far. Okay, the book is very far from the finger here. So do we say this is a book or that is a book?
That is a book.
Yes, for things which is very far, we say that. For the thing which is near, we say this. So that is the difference. So just now was this is book, but over here is that is book. Can everybody say with teacher, that is book?
That is book.
Yeah, you see, it is very far and there is only one. But let's see the next one here. Okay, it's the same, but there are more books. Okay, the more books here is also far from the pointer. Okay, so how do we say that? Let's read. Those are books. Can everybody say with teacher? Those are books.
Those are books.
Okay, so the things which is very far and it is more than one, we say those. We don't say that are books. That is wrong. Okay, we say those are books. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to see on the next lesson for today. So let's look at page 38, children. Can all of you turn to page 38 now?
I'm already on the page 38.
Very good. So I'm going to write down the day and date for you again. Okay, so please quickly write down the day and date, children, and then let's look at the activity on page 38.
Teacher, I'm going to toilet.
Yes, we may go. Come back quickly, yeah. Okay. So I've written the day and date for you on my screen. Please follow and write it on page 38.
哦 ，OK OK，就是那个什么加盟合伙人分享会那个啊，嗯。 可以。
Okay, very good. And I hope the rest done. But,
Yeah, no done yet.
okay, never mind. Teacher give you a bit of time, okay?
Something went wrong.
Okay. All right. Once I see everyone stop writing, then I will start, okay? Very good.
Somebody voice have a blood.
Okay. Right. So I think few of you are still writing. Never mind. You can continue your writing. Excuse me, your writing. But let's continue here, children. So
Something went wrong. We do not want to press when we cannot do this. How to
oh, what happened? You have.
now? Can do this.
And okay. Right, children. We are going to read this sentence.
I know why the yet.
Okay, quick. You quickly write, okay? Right. So teacher will read, okay? Because we don't have much time. So let's read, okay? Everybody say with teacher. This is a chick.
This is a chick.
Okay, you can see a pointer here, right? You can see a hand and it's pointing to the chick. And the pointer is very near to the chick, right? So it's very close to us. So we say this is a chick. Okay, because there is only one. But now let's look at the far animal here. Let's read the sentence. Everybody say, that is a hen.
That is a cat.
So that's the difference, children. You see, for the things which is near or anything, it could be a people, it could be an animal, anything, you say this. This is a chick. But when it comes to something which is very far, we say that is a hen. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, that is how you're going to use the word this and also that. Okay, so now let's look at the next sentence here. Everybody say, these are birds. Okay, so you remember I told you the word these, okay, T-H-E-S-E, we use for plural, these, okay, just like what you can see over here. The finger or the pointer is very near to the birds. So we say these are birds. And you can see 3 birds, which is more than 1. So we say these are birds. Okay, make sure you add S at the back here. And you use are. We don't say these is birds. Wrong, huh? We say these are birds. And let's see, what do we call for the objects which is very far?
Monster.
Everybody say, those are trees.
Those are trees.
Yes, we can see many trees. Can you see the many trees here? There are more than 1 tree.
Yes, there are.
And that is very far. So we say those are trees. Okay, so that's the difference between these and also those. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to do this activity here for us to understand better. Okay, we are going to do this activity together, children. Okay, so please stay across the attention so that you understand better. Okay, so here we are going to write these or this. Okay, so children, as I told you, this word T-H-I-S. Okay, this one we use for singular nouns. Okay, if there is only one.
The dog is barking.
Yes. Okay, but let's look at T-H-E-S-E. This we use for plural nouns. Okay, remember, teacher repeat again. T-H-I-S we use for singular, which is only one. But for T-H-E-S-E, this we use for plural, which is more than one. Okay, so number 1, they have given us example. Okay, they said these are chairs. Okay, chairs. They already add s at the back. That means they have more chairs. And they use T-H-E-S-E. This. Okay. So now let's look at number 2. Number two is a table. Okay. So which this we are going to write here? Is it T-H-I-S or T-H-E-S-E?
Ma.
Which one?
Mala.
You see, if a table, there is only one, children, there is only one table. It's a singular noun. So which one do we use? T-H-I-S or T-H-E-S-E? Which one do we use? Anyone would like to give me your answer? Anyone there to share your answer with teacher?
Me.
Yes.
This
This.
is S-H-I-S.
T-H-I-S. This is a table. Correct. Because we use the word T-H-I-S, or we say this for a singular noun. Okay, table is only one, so we use this. Okay, now let's look at question number 3, children.
Wait, let's write. I didn't
Okay,
write.
please write down. Yes, please write down your answer. Okay, let's look at question number 3. Question number 3, let's read. Everybody say, are children.
Children.
Okay, children means more than one. Okay, for one, we say child, one child. But if more, we say children, just like you all. Okay, you are many of you here, so teachers say children. So do we say this are children or this are children? Which these do we use? T-H-I-S or T-H-E-S-E?
Are children.
Which one? Which this do we use? The first this or the second this?
The first, second is.
Okay, I heard someone saying first, right? Children, the first one we use for singular, but children is not singular, it's plural, more than one. So we use the second this, okay? It's okay to make mistakes because we can learn better. Let's practice more. Let's do more questions now. Let's look at question number 4, children. Everybody say with me. Are flowers.
Flowers.
Okay, flowers. Okay, and they have used the word are flowers, which is more than one. Okay, flowers means many. So which this do we use? Do we use the first this or the second this? Anyone would like to share your answer?
The first one. Me, the first. Second.
Okay, we still pronounce it as these are flowers, but use T-H-E-S-E. Okay? All right. Okay, I can teacher will write down here for you so that you understand better. Let's write it here, okay?
Why don't you start here?
Okay, teacher is going to use my
One you see, you write here. This one you write
blue
so far.
here to write the word this, okay?
Okay.
So let's look on my screen here. Okay, we have T-H-I-S on our left. Okay, wait, and we have T-H-E-S-E on my right. Okay, so these are the two things we are actually doing. Okay, we have this and this. Okay, so T-H-I-S means only one. So let
this
me
and these.
okay, let me draw a star for you here.
Exactly.
Okay, there is only one star. Okay, but if for this one T-H-E-S-E, we have more than one. Okay, so this is the example that teacher would like to show you.
Okay.
So that
One,
you
then you use this.
Yes.
Many. More
Okay.
than one you use it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's look at question number 5, children. Okay, let's look at question number 5. Okay, I want everybody to read with me. Say, is a frog.
Frog.
Okay.
Is a frog.
Okay, right, children. This is not the frog, not the animal. This F-R-O-C-K, frog. That means it's a dress, a woman or a girl's dress. Okay, but they already say it's a frog. So, do you think it is a singular noun or a plural noun? Is it one or more than one? It's only one. Okay, so which one do we use? Do we use this or this? Is it on my left or on my right here? Which one?
On your left.
Very good. Okay, T-H-I-S, which is on my
Left.
left. Very good. Okay, so now teacher is going to write down the answer. Please follow, okay? Please write down the answer.
I sneezed. Sorry, excuse me.
Okay. Right. Okay, so please write down T-H-I-S here. This is a frog. Okay, if you're done, then we shall move to the next one.
Done.
Okay, now I'm going to give you the next example. Okay, let's look at the next example, which is that and those. Okay, so I'm going to write down that and those on my left and right here. Okay, I'm going to write that and those. So on my left, teacher write down the word that. Okay, I'm going to write down the
I will spell you.
okay, I write here T-H-A-T. And on my right, I'm going to write the word those. Okay. So as teacher have explained to you just now, the word that we usually use for the things which is far and only one. So for example, let me draw the star again, but I'm going to draw the star a bit far now. Here. Okay, it's not near to the word, it's very far. And when it comes to those, I'm still going to draw the star, but I'm going to draw more star far away. Okay? So remember,
I want to draw far and one more want to draw near little bit.
yes, because I want to show you the difference. You see, for that, okay, let me erase the day and date so that you have a better. Okay, you see, for that, I draw a star, one star, which is very far. And for those, I draw stars.
3 stars.
Okay, that and those. Okay, so now let's do the activity F here. You are going to write that or those. Okay, number 1, let's look at number 1, children. Okay, number 1 says, everybody read with me, everybody repeat after teacher. Those are mango trees.
Those are mango trees.
Okay, you see, mango trees. Trees is more than 1. Okay, more than 1, so we use those. Right, the next one, let's see, children. Everybody read with me. Is a bat. Okay, see, bat. A bat. That means only 1. So do we say that is a bat or those is a bat? What is the answer?
No.
That is a bat or those? That. Very good, because the word that we use for a singular noun. Okay, so we say that is a bat. So please write down that, children. Everybody write the word that.
T.
Okay, good. Now let's look at question number 3. Everybody say with me. Are shops. Are shops. So do we say that are shops or
That are
those are shops? Very good. Those are shops. Why do we say those? Why we don't say that? Anyone can tell teacher?
Try it's not. That's why it's so far.
Correct. Shops.
Those.
They have add
Why
letter
you don't
S at
follow?
the back here, which is more
Hey.
than one. It's a plural noun.
Teacher.
Just like you can see
Right.
more than one star
Yeah.
here. So we use
1 time, 2 time, 4 time, 5 time.
children. Can you write the word those here? Everybody say those
here.
are shops. Can you write?
Hey, don't write too far.
This is so special. We can put some.
I am.
Yeah.
See or not? This one only ma. Hey, don't.
Okay.
No. See properly first.
This is so special food.
Okay,
Those
so
are
let's
shops.
do 2 more
Those.
questions on page
Those are those.
39. Okay. So page 38, we will stop until here. And page 39, we still have question number 4 and 5 to write that or those. Now, teacher is going to write it down for you. Yeah. Oops, I'm sorry. Wait a minute.
Now this page. That is a book or those is a book.
Okay. Let's look at the next page here.
Sorry, teacher.
Yeah, this is page 39. Okay, we are just going to do 2 more questions here. Okay, we're not going to do everything. We are just going to do question number 4 and 5 today. Okay, so let's continue on page, question number 4. Yeah. Okay, please take turns to talk. Okay, let's ask Annabelle first. Yes, Annabelle, what is your question? Okay, then Tenyu, yes, what is your question, Tenyu?
After these 2 questions, 4 and 5, and then say bye-bye.
Yes, then we can listen or do some movements because we have 7 minutes. So we will do this. But let's finish this first. Okay, listen to teacher. Okay, I want everybody to listen to teacher first. Okay, let's do question 4 and 5 and then listen to teacher. Okay, so let's look at
Why?
Okay, everybody say with teacher. Is a book. So do we say that is a book or those is a book? Can someone tell teacher? Do we say that is a book?
That is a book.
Why do we say that? Why we don't say those? Can someone tell teacher?
I don't know.
And was it just a guessing?
Wait, what did you say? I can't hear tell.
I said, did you just guess the answer?
No.
Then?
Yeah, I just guessed the answer.
I see. Okay, right. Anyone else? Can you tell? Anyone else there can tell teacher why do we say that is a book? Why we don't say those?
That's why that is a singular and also a 1 star is far.
Very good, right?
It's from your left.
You correct. Very good. Now let's look at question number 5, children. Everybody say, are sweets.
How to write?
Okay. So, do we say that are sweets or those are sweets? Can someone tell? Are you sure that are sweets?
Please.
Look at the word sweet. The word sweets have letter S at the back. Those. All right. Okay, we say those are sweets because sweets is more than one. Okay, so we use those. Okay, because this is plural now. So can you write that for number 4 and those for number 5?